saw Amazon pull back into that smart money zone yesterday. I alerted the team on X. Price was trading right around $206.50. And we know that in most cases, that's going to be the area in which price bounces. And this morning, we had bounced from low to high about 5.5%. And what's even better for this is that we actually saw millions of dollars worth of call options confirmed for this today, triggering an alpha gold position. We're going to go in detail at exactly what that means and why I think Amazon has a big rally ahead of itself, and specifically why I'm going to be playing this. Now, the very first thing is going to be these unusual options calls. So for anybody who does not know how to trade options at all, there's a free course in our library down in the description that's going to teach you options, everything that you need to know, and in the simplest manner possible. And if you want to learn how to read the unusual flow that we're going to go over, then take the options flow mastery course. I posted this within the Discord, but the reason that this is so important is because of these three letters here, AAA. The reason that this is so bullish is because we can confirm with those letters that this order was placed at the ask. This is important because we know it's not an institution that's looking to sell a covered call, which would be bearish. On top of that, it's close to $4 million in premiums, which is very, very important. The strike is in the money, which is also important, and the expiration date is out until 2026. So this is not somebody frivolously throwing around money on a risky position. The other thing that you'll notice is the implied volatility is very, very low. Now, within our Discord community, I also posted the breakdown of the historical volume and open interest. This line represents the price of those contracts or the premium, and it's just continuing to go down. You'll also see these blue vertical bars, which represent open interest. That's how many contracts are being held every single day. You're going to see it's very steady across the board. And then finally, these small vertical orange bars are volume, which is showing how many contracts were traded that day. You're going to see this massive divergence. Look at how little contracts were traded every day as price is going down, and then look at the volume today. Open interest daily is 446. This one order was basically 1,400. That's nearly 3 times the amount of contracts that were held this morning, bought in one single order, which is very unusual. But once again, it doesn't mean that we just go and enter a position for the sake of it. Instead, we have to zoom out and look at a bigger time frame such as the weekly. And in yesterday's video, we talked about why we were bullish because price was pulling back into the market bias. This indicator shows the current trend, and when price is trading in the market bias, it means that we're trading at a discounted range. And this is normally when institutions look to enter to the upside, hence this order today. Something else that's very important happened today. If you notice, the BX trender on the daily chart is showing higher lows. That is our first indication of a potential breakout to potentially fill that gap at $235. You will also notice that if we take a Fibonacci retracement from swing low to swing high, that the area we perfectly bounced in is that smart money zone. Now, if you want to get access to all these indicators and learn how to draw these zones, just go take the free courses. I recommend starting with the Elite Traders Playbook course and then the Smart Money Zone Mastery, because that's going to show you how to draw those Fibonaccis. But overall, I still feel very, very strong about Amazon. I think over the next couple of weeks, price is at least going to push back to $225. And from there, to fill that gap. We will continue to monitor this trade over the next couple of weeks, and let me know down in the comments what you guys think about this setup. If you want access to all of our real-time trade alerts, all of my trading bots, and live stream with us each and every single week, you can join our Discord community. The link is in the description.